Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Summary of Part 17 of the Holy Qur'an. This part has two portions. First is complete Surah Al-Anbiya and second is complete Surah Hajj. Surah Al-Anbiya, ignorance of the Day of Judgment. Mankind's reckoning has drawn near to them, yet they are disregardful in their obliviousness. Do not run away. Return to the opulence you were given to enjoy and to your dwelling so that you may be questioned. The sky and earth, have the faithless not regarded that the heavens and the earth were interwoven and we unraveled them, and we made every living thing out of water? Will they not then have faith? The mountains and wide paths, we set firm mountains in the earth lest it should shake with them, and we made broad ways in them so that they may be guided. Every soul shall taste death. And we will test you with good and ill by way of test, and to us you will be brought back. The scales of justice, we shall set up just scales on the day of resurrection, and no soul will be wronged in the least. Even if it be the weight of a mustard seed we shall produce it and we suffice as reckoners. 17 prophets, around 17 prophets' name and incidents related to them are mentioned in this chapter. Prophet Musa and Aaron, certainly we gave Moses and Aaron the criterion, a light and reminder for the God-worry. Prophet Ibrahim forbade his uncle and his people from idolatry and one day shattered all the idols except the big idol. So that the people may ask the big idol if he speaks. Ibrahim was thrown into fire, so Allah said, O fire, cool down and be safe for Ibrahim. Prophet Isaac, Prophet Jacob, and Prophet Lut. Prophet Lut was given wisdom and knowledge and Allah saved him from a wicked nation. Prophet Nuh and Prophet David are mentioned and about providing knowledge and wisdom to Prophet Suleiman. He subdued the mountains and the birds that used to glorify him with Prophet David. Subdued the strong wind for Hazrat Suleiman. Prophet Ayub, mentioned that Allah accepted his prayer, cured his illness and gave him his family. Mentioning the patience of Prophet Ishmael, Idris, and Zulkifl. Mentioning Prophet Yunus that we accepted his repentance and saved him from grief. Prophet Zachariah, Allah accepted his prayers and gave him Prophet Yahya. Mentioning the humbleness of Prophet Zachariah. Made Prophet Isa a sign for all the worlds. Effort will not be wasted. Whoever is faithful and does righteous deeds, his endeavor shall not go unappreciated, and we will indeed record it for him. Gog and Magog, near the day of resurrection, they will be released and they will descend from the heights attacking the peaceful people. The fuel of hell, the polytheists and their gods will be the fuel of hell on the day of resurrection. Inheritors of the land, and we have written in the book that the heirs of the land will be our righteous servants. When the earth will be filled with justice as it was filled with oppression. Mercy for the worlds, and O Messenger, we have sent you only as a mercy for the worlds. Surah Hajj. Horrible picture of doomsday. Every breastfeeding mother will forget her infant and all pregnant women will abort their pregnancy. Steps of creation of a human being. O people! We created you from dust, then from a drop of fluid, then from a clinging mass, then from a fleshy tissue, partly formed and partly unformed, so that we may manifest to you. We lodge in the wombs whatever then we bring you forth as infants, then so that you may come of age. There are some of you who are taken away, and there are some of you who are relegated to the nethermost age. Ruling on announcing Hajj to Prophet Ibrahim. Respect for the signs of Allah. Whoever respects the signs of Allah, this is the piety of hearts. These are things that are a sign of obedience to God. Such as Safa and Marwa and sacrificial camels, etc. 4 signs of those who humble themselves before Allah. When the name of Allah is mentioned, their hearts begin to tremble. Those who endure suffering. Those who establish prayer and those who spend out of what Allah has given them. Explanation of the rules of Hajj and other rules such as the rites of Hajj, Iqamah of Salat, payment of Zakat, animal sacrifice and fighting in the way of Allah, etc. Listen, O people, the gods you call on besides Allah, they are not even capable of making a fly. People did not value Allah as they should have. Allah is surely the Almighty, the Mighty.